Oh, hello there. Welcome to Peacock Vision. Today we're going to be making quick and easy enchiladas. Like and subscribe if you would like to subscribe. I hope you enjoy the video. Have a small 9x13 casserole dish. Have meat, cheese, tortillas, and enchilada sauce. Put whatever you want inside of the tortillas and put them in the casserole dish. Once they're secure, grab your enchilada sauce and douse them accordingly. However much you want to put in there is up to you. Last but not least, we're going to add cheese. The more the better. Wrap in aluminum foil and place in a 350 degree preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Uncover and enjoy. And there you have it. Easy and quick enchiladas. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.